Welcome back to Learn Hindi through English with Britney. In just a few minutes, you will learn how to introduce yourself in Hindi, ask where someone is from, talk about your profession, and use polite expressions. Let's get started. Before we begin today's lesson, let's quickly review what we learned last time. This is used for one thing near you. In formal or written Hindi, यह. In spoken Hindi, ये. For example, this is an apple. यह एक सेब है. In spoken Hindi, ये एक सेब है. These is used for more than one thing near you. For example, these are books. ये किताबें हैं. That is used for one thing far away. In formal or written Hindi, वह. In spoken Hindi, वो. For example, that is a car. वह एक कार है. In spoken Hindi, वो एक कार है. Those is used for more than one thing far away. In formal or written Hindi, वे. In spoken Hindi, वो. For example, those are bananas. वे केले हैं. In spoken Hindi, वो केले हैं. Great. Now let's move on to today's lesson. First, we will learn how to ask someone's name and tell our own name in Hindi. The question is, what's your name? In Hindi, we will ask, आपका नाम क्या है? And the answer, my name is John. In Hindi, we will say, मेरा नाम John है. Now let's break down the words so you understand exactly what each parts mean. आपका means your, नाम means name, क्या means what, है means is. Now for the answer. Mera means my, naam means name, John is the name of boy, hai means is. Now please repeat after me for practice. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम जॉन है. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम जॉन है. Let's say it one more time. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम जॉन है. Well done. You've learned how to introduce yourself in Hindi. Now, let's learn how to ask where someone is from. First, the question is, where are you from? In Hindi, we will ask, आप कहाँ से हैं? And the answer, I am from India. In Hindi, we will say, मैं इंडिया से हूँ. One more thing, India is also called Bharat in Hindi. So, you could also say, मैं भारत से हूँ for I am from India. But for now, मैं इंडिया से हूँ is perfectly fine and commonly understood. Here are some more examples. I am from America. मैं अमेरिका से हूँ. I am from Japan. मैं जापान से हूँ. Now let's break down the words in the question. आप means you, कहाँ means where, से means from, है means are. For the answer, मैं means I, India means India, से means from, who means am. Now please repeat after me for practice. आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? Very good. Now answer. मैं इंडिया से हूँ. मैं इंडिया से हूँ. Excellent. Now try with another country like मैं अमेरिका से हूँ. मैं जापान से हूँ. Very good. Next, let's learn how to ask about someone's profession. What do you do? In Hindi, आप क्या करते हैं? Repeat. आप क्या करते हैं? If you are a student, you will say, I am a student. In Hindi, मैं एक student हूँ. Here are two more examples. I am a teacher. In Hindi, मैं एक teacher हूँ. I am a doctor. In Hindi, मैं एक doctor हूँ. Now let's break down the words. आप means you, क्या means what, करते हैं means do, मैं means I, एक means a, who means am. Please note, student is commonly used in daily conversations. The formal Hindi word is vidyarthi. Now let's learn another very useful Hindi word used in daily conversations. When we want to make a formal and polite request, we use the word please. In Hindi, we say kripya. Its pronunciation is kripya. Kripya. Let's see some examples. Kripya बैठिए means please sit. Kripya बोलिए means please speak. Kripya सुनिए means please listen. Now let's understand the word meanings. बैठिए means sit. बोलिए means speak. सुनिए means listen. These expressions make your Hindi sound polite and respectful. Next, we will learn how to say sorry in Hindi. When we make a mistake or want to apologize, we use the phrase माफ कीजिए. Let's pronounce it together. माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए. Let's look at some examples. माफ कीजिए, यह मेरी गलती है. This means sorry, this is my mistake. Here, यह means this, मेरी means my, गलती means mistake, and है means is. Now let's take another example. माफ कीजिए, मैं भूल गया. This means sorry, I forgot. Here, I means मैं, भूल गया means forgot. These expressions are very useful in daily life. Now let's learn another use of माफ कीजिए. Earlier we learned that माफ कीजिए means sorry. However, in daily conversations, it can also mean excuse me. When we apologize for a mistake, we use it as sorry. When we need someone's attention or help, we use it as excuse me. Let's look at some examples. Number 1. माफ कीजिए, bus stop कहाँ है? In English, excuse me, where is the bus stop? Number 2. माफ कीजिए, मैं कुछ पूछना चाहती हूँ. In English, excuse me, I want to ask something. Now let's understand the word meanings. Bus stop means bus stop, कहाँ means where, है means is, मैं means I, कुछ means something, पूछना means ask, चाहता हूँ means want. Now you can use the माफ कीजिए correctly in different situations, both for saying sorry and excuse me. Good job. Now let's practice a simple Hindi conversation between two people. Listen carefully and repeat after them. John says, Namaste. आपका नाम क्या है? Priya replies, Namaste. मेरा नाम प्रिया है. आपका नाम क्या है? John says, मेरा नाम जॉन है. आप कहाँ से हैं? Priya replies, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. आप कहाँ से हैं? John says, मैं मुंबई से हूँ. Then Priya asks, आप क्या करते हैं? John replies, मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ. Great job. Excellent work. In this lesson, you learned how to introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and use polite Hindi expressions. Keep practicing these sentences and try speaking them with confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Hindi lessons. See you in the next lessons. Namaste.